So to download Burpsuite, this version 1.7, we're going to open Microsoft Edge, and then we are going to type Burpsuite 1.7 version download. Okay, so from there we are going to click on this first link, port swinger. Just click on that professional/community, that one. So from there we're going to be taken to this web page, and from there, as you can see, we can confirm that we are downloading 1.7.36 version. Okay, so we are going to select community edition. Okay, and then we are going to go and select our operating system, and then we click on download. Okay, so as you can see, our download is going to start. Okay, so as you can see, it has started. As you can see, it's right there. Okay, so we are going to wait for the download to finish. Okay, so let's wait for our download to finish. Okay, so after finishing, let's wait. We are downloading. Let's wait for it to finish, but make sure you have already set up Java on your machine. Okay, make sure you have Java installed on your machine. If you don't have it, I have a video for that on how to install and set up Java on your machine. The link is in the description. Okay, just click the title of this video. It's there. Okay, below this video. Okay, just click on that title. You will go inside the description and just click more, and then you will see the link. Okay, the link is there. It has Java installation. Okay, Java installation or Java setup. Okay, you will find the link there. Okay, so first watch that video and set up Java on your machine. After setting up Java, you can come back and then you start installing your Burpsuite community 1.7.36 okay version. Okay, so as you can see, our download is about to finish. Okay, so it's about to finish, and we are going to find our executable, our file, inside the downloads folder. Okay, so after downloading, let's wait. It's about to finish. We are about to finish downloading, and we go and start installing. Okay, so we are about to finish, as you can see. Let's wait. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to this channel. So our download has finished. Let's go inside our downloads folder. Okay, so we go inside our downloads folder. Inside our downloads folder, we can search. As you can see, it's right there. Okay, so our community version is right there, 1.7. Okay, 0.6. So we can right click, select, and then right click and then select run as administrator. Okay, so to start installing. Okay, so as you can see, so you are going to select. So let us lower, no, just select. Okay, so here we are just going to double click. Okay, so after double clicking, we are going to get this setup. Okay, as you can see, so here we have different options here, but we need the second one. Okay, so no install into different directions. So as you can see, so after selecting that, click on next, and then you can select the folder. After there, we click on next. Okay, so from there, we create a start menu, click back. So as you can see here, yes, update the existing installation, and no, so we don't want. Okay, so from there we can select next. Okay, so from there we are going to start extracting the files. Let's wait, we are installing. Let's wait. Okay, so we are about to finish. We are done. Okay, so that's good. We are done installing, and we can now start using our Burpsuite 1.7.36 version. Okay, so you can then click the Windows button and then search for Burpsuite. Okay, and when you search for Burpsuite, you won't get these. You will get this output here, but these Burpsuite versions I have, they are latest. They are versions. Okay, they are not this version that we have installed. Okay, so but for you, you will get this version that we have installed. Okay, I have different versions, Burpsuite versions on my machine. Okay, that's why I'm getting this output, but just click on open and it will start.